All right, let's do an example here. We've got three functions, and let's talk about horizontal asymptotes with regard to each one. So let's look at A. So f of x is equal to what? 8x squared plus 1 divided by the quantity x to the fourth plus 1. And so again, when we're looking at horizontal asymptotes, we look at the degree of the top versus the degree of the bottom. Now in this case here, the degree of the top is less than the degree of the bottom, which means this thing is going to head towards what? 0. Okay? So as x goes to positive or negative infinity, this thing is going towards 0. Okay? So that means we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Okay, now, what about g of x? Now in this case, g of x, the degree of the top is bigger than the degree of the bottom, which means this thing, as x goes to positive or negative infinity, is going off to infinity, right? Positive or negative. So that means, in this case here, there is no horizontal asymptote. Okay, does not exist. And then C, look at the h of x here, the degree of the top and the degree of the bottom are the same. Which means now we could just take the ratio of the leading coefficients, right? So we have 8x squared plus 9x minus 5 divided by the quantity 2x squared plus 1. And so all we have to do is take the ratio of the leading coefficients, 8 and 2, and so we know that there's a horizontal asymptote at y equals what? Oops. At y equals 4. Okay? And it's that easy, right? So, not bad. So all you're going to do is look at the degree of the top and the degree of the bottom and compare them. And that's what's going to give you the answer.